Today's star of the shave is the Razor Company T-Shirt. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. And today, the star of the shave is the Razor Company T-Shirt. Look. Wow. People are going to say, wow, a T-shirt as the star of the shave? I'm like, but it has special meaning, and you're going to learn in this video why. Today, I'm going back to my roots. Before I actually found this beautiful community, I'm going to use my first ever razor from the dollar store. A butterfly turned to twist open with a Gillette Wilkerson blade from Germany. A $1.75 brush I found in that store. My Acaia bowl that I used to have Acaia berries in. The splash I got. The Balm I got. And also some Pears soap. And this is pre-bougie sprayer. It was a crazy time, 2023. I know you're used to seeing me with the bougie sprayer. Let's get back to the shirt. I chose the shirt to be the star of the show, or the shave, basically as it is a show, because I wanted more people to focus on my journey as a wet shaver. I started out with a guy, like most of you people, saying I joined wet shaving so I could save money. Oh, that's a joke. I should be selling jokes to Dave Chappelle and some other comedians, yeah. And I wanted to show, like, the importance of having a community. So happens to be a wet shaving community that has done a lot, and will do a lot of work for mental health. I'm a big proponent of that. And this was at a time when I wasn't that sociable. I was still self-isolating myself because I was scared to show who I was. I was angry with things in life. Angry at people, angry at myself. And this shirt, thank you Jason at TRC and Carlos Shavon Gents for designing it, and all the people who poured into me to become a human being. Thank you. You know me, consistently constant. I got to not talk when I'm on my neck. So here, this is what I used to do before bougie sprayers. Had a cup. Yeah. So back to the important topic. The shirt. Great quality shirt. In fact, I believe it's the only one that has the gold letters because I'm the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Thank you, Jason, Carlos, and everyone in the wet shaving community that I call my family for this privilege. But yeah, this shirt, to the outside world, it may seem like a shirt. But for those who know, like, you know that expression, if you know, you know the importance of it. And I'm blessed and I'm always thankful for the people in this wet shaving community that I call my family. And to pay tribute to it, I'm going to go back to my beginnings as a wet shaver. God, my first time using this razor, I tore my face up. It looked like I was in a cat fight, or someone just threw a cat or scratched me up. But with practice and technique, you can be good at anything. You know, I mean, I respect those who, in the start of a new year, they say, I want to do this, but it's never too late to start something new. And this wet shaving community has really, really taught me that. I think the most important thing I got from this wet shaving community, it's the love and the encouragement people have been giving me. Yeah, before my bougie sprayer, this is like Star Trek. Who sees Star Trek? Before the warp, before the Federation was born, there was Starfleet, and before that there was Zephyr Cochrane with the warp engine, the Phoenix. Because the world was in World War III. Okay, I'm rambling on, but you get the point where I'm trying to make the correlations. Yeah, it all comes together. Oh, shababa! Oh man, this brings back so much memories of me being by myself, angry. I'm a messy shaver. That hasn't changed. Wow. It just brings back so much memories. And how much I accomplished because of the encouragement and the love and the support from this wet shaving community that I call my family. I know I say that all the time, but I just have to remind myself where I came from, how in my journey, and where I am now. I wear this shirt with pride. This is like a uniform, like for special events, and I'm so honored for the love and support. God, I'm so amazed about my technique. Oh man, I wish I took a picture the first time I shaved with a DE razor and how mangled I looked. You know, my first shave took me like over 30 minutes because I was scared, and I still butchered myself. Oh, let me do some water. I could rinse this off. I forgot my wipes. Even before I had wipes, I just had a regular towel. Let me throw some splash. Yeah. Look, I got this. I was so proud. I spent $1.08 on some splash and stuff. And my big purchase was my synthetic brush. And I was thinking, okay, it's $1.75 because the lady was nice to me. I'm not going to charge you tax. So I figured, okay, if this is $1.75 and this is free, what's half of $1.75? Like 88 cents each. So I figured, oh wow, because I really thought I was going to save money. But that's a joke. Wow. Thank you so much for staying for this shave and let me tell some of my journey from the beginning. And oh, I forgot the Balm. Oh, I thought it was like, ooh, $1.08. Ooh. Yeah, me all weird and stuff. But it's unique. I knew someone in life told me, Jason, right now you're broke. And they're going to call you weird and crazy and out there. But when you become rich, you're going to be called eccentric. Thank you to that person. I miss her and she was important in my life. Well, let me go over the lineup again. I use today's shave of the day. You know, did I say Razor Company Shave and Chat? I think I did in the beginning, but my mind is all around. Okay, this is my dollar store razor, turn to twist butterfly with a Gillette Wilkerson blade, a nice little Balm, the splash, my Pears medicated soap, my bougie $1.75 synthetic brush, which I still use, and a free Acaia bowl. And this was pre-bougie sprayer, but the star to shave. And when I wear this shirt, I feel the love of the whole community. The Razor Company T-Shirt. Wow. Again, thank you for staying to the end. If you have time at 9 a.m. Eastern Time Saturday, go to the Instagram. Either I think it's the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. For all your wet shaving and beauty needs, please go to therazorcompany.com and thank you again for being a part of my life and making me a better person. And let your new year start off right. God bless you and have a great year.